So you're here because you want to lose fat, build muscle and get stronger. Now strength training is the most effective way for you to do this, and I've talked about its benefits compared to other training modalities in other videos. Now before we begin, hit like, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell to stay up to date with all things fat loss. Now we've already covered lifting techniques and I'll link the series below. Another way that is equally as effective in building strength and body awareness is using calisthenics moves. For those of you that are unfamiliar, this is bodyweight training. So over the course of this series, I'm going to go through the essentials and dissect these movements so that you can execute them as proficiently as possible, and this will keep you safe and ensure that the exercises are effective. Here's what to expect: hollow body plank, pushing mechanics, pulling mechanics, push-ups, rows, pull-ups, dips. One of the key principles in calisthenics is being able to keep your whole body in tension. So we're going to learn the hollow body in order to achieve this. We need to do this because it makes our movement far more efficient and it allows for us to perform movements with more reps and more time. This is because less energy will be expended through unwanted movements that happen when joints aren't fully locked out and under our control. Here's a quick note: do not view this as a core exercise. Every movement we do in calisthenics has a purpose, and the purpose behind this movement is to keep the whole body in tension and to apply this to more demanding movements. Now here's some key pointers for the hollow body and what it looks like. The tailbone is tucked up, shoulder blades are off the floor, and the quads are locked. That will keep your abdominal region nice and tight, and doing the above establishes a connection between the lower and upper body, which is important in any strength move that you perform. This is hard to do if you haven't done so before, so we're going to perform regressions. How we do this is through the application of physics. So we will shorten the levers, which are your feet and hands, and the pivot point is going to be just under your tailbone. The closer we get to the pivot point, the easier the movement is, and the further away the levers are from the pivot point, the harder it is. So the first regression we're going to perform is the dead bug. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back with your legs bent. Tailbone up, decreasing the space between your back and the floor. Lift the shoulder blades up. Elevate the heels. Keep your knees over the hips. Reach hands down, keeping them locked and shoulder blades locked. And hold. So that's simply it. Now the next regression is to do this with extended legs. Now here's a key point: any regression that you do, please go through all of the steps from the previous regression, as it's very common for beginners to go straight into the position and therefore not perform the movement properly. Now it's completely normal for you to shake, and I'd actually encourage you to do so, as this means that the muscles are really working in tension. And an isometric contraction is when tension is established with no lengthening or shortening of the muscles occurring. Now the next way to progress this move is to lower the heels to the floor. The same cues apply as before, but then you do this. Increase the lever by bringing the heels down towards the floor. Do not let the lower back come off the floor. And reach the hands down, keeping them locked. Time to perform the full hollow body. So go through the steps previously and then increase the lever further by reaching your hands back down behind your head and keep the arms locked and hold. So there you have it, guys. That's a fundamental movement / position that you now have unlocked and that you will apply to all calisthenics moves going forwards. Here is how to implement. Perform your regression for 15 to 30 seconds, complete 1 to 2 sets. As soon as you can hold one of these regressions for 30 seconds comfortably, move on to the next one until you can get to the full hollow body. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit like, drop a comment or question, and I'll see you in the next video.